Welcome to the PATH system for exploring digital cultural heritage collections. In this video, I will show you how to create your own PATH using the items in your workspace. To be able to create your own PATH, you must register as a user using the links provided in the top right corner, or if you have already registered, then you must log in first. I intend to create a PATH on libraries, so I do a search for library. Children's library. I think that will be useful for my PATH, so I add it to my workspace. I will also add this school library item. In preparation, I have already found two other items connected to the library. Using these four items in my workspace, I will create a new PATH clicking on the Create a New PATH button. I drag all of my items from the workspace into the PATH editing area. I want to add a branch after the free library page so that people can choose to either look at the school library page or the public library page. To do this, I first drag the school library to right hand side of the free library and then drag the public library below the school library. As you can see, the branch has been created automatically. Finally, I drag the children's library to the right hand side of the school library, which completes the PATH itself. Next, I want to add some text about the free library, so I move the mouse onto the free library page and click the edit link. Then I simply add my description and save it. This is my description. To finish creating the PATH, I click on the Edit PATH Metadata button to add general information about my PATH, such as the PATH's name and description. As a title, I choose Libraries, and I add my description. My keywords will be library and overview. I use a comma to separate the keywords. All my settings are saved automatically, so I can simply close the window. I want to add a medical library item into my PATH, but there is no medical library item in the system. To overcome this, I will create a new item by dragging the new text only note box from the right hand side of the page into the PATH editing area. Next, I add a title and description to my new item by clicking on the edit link and then simply typing in my title and description. And saving it. I want to preview my PATH before publishing it, so I click on the preview button. Here we go, this is the overview over my PATH and everything seems okay, so I can publish it. To do that, I switch back to the PATH editor and click on the Edit PATH Metadata button again. To publish my PATH, I select the Anybody Can Access and it is included in the Search Results option. If we now go back to the PATH section, then I can see that my PATH has been published and is now included in the system. To see all the PATHs that I have created, I can also click on my username, which shows the full list of all my PATHs. I hope you enjoyed this video, Introduction to Creating Your Own Paths.